Hi guys, if you're looking for tips to install IPA files on iPhone without computer, you're in the right place. First of all, open your Safari browser. Then go to website wangchuchi.com. This website comes from Vietnam. Maybe you don't know how, so please follow this video. Click this button. You will see a design installer link on this website. However, you have to install the DNS first. Please click this DNS icon. Then click Download Note. Maybe some iOS like iOS 18 can't install this DNS. So, you have to download the text file and save it to the Files application. After that, edit the name and extension of the DNS file into mobile config. After that, click and install the profile in the setting. Profile is downloaded. Then enter the password and install. Then please select the design link on this page. You can try the first one first. If it doesn't work, then you can choose the next link to install Esign. For example, I'm gonna try the first link. Click that link, then wait the short link. Click Get Link. After that, download and install Esign. And wait the installation. If you see the icon like this or unable to install, it means the Esign can't install. So, you can try another link to try it. If you see Untrusted Developer, it means the Esign is working on your device. Then verify it on Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. If you are on iOS 18, you have to allow and restart your device to verify. After restart, now you can open Esign. But for now, Esign can't install IPA files, so you need to import a certificate into Esign. Download the certificate on the website. Save it, then open Esign again. Click 3 dots on above. Click Import. Then find the certificate for Esign that you downloaded earlier. Click the certificate and click Import Certificate. Now, you are ready to use and install any IPA files with Esign. Import the IPA files that what you want to install. After that, go to Tab Apps. Click the icon of the app. Click Signature. And click Install. The app will automatically installed on your device. You can open it and run the any IPA files using Esign. Also, you can install IPA files without limit and without computer. If you see unable to install or can't install Esign, you can check on this video to fix unable to install and revoked certificate. You can check the link on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need a help, leave your comment below so I will guide you to install IPA files on your device. See you on the next tutorial.